Hi friends, എല്ലാവർക്കും ബെനി മാജിക് ഗ്രാമറിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. Today we are going to do the exercise of Kerala English Reader Class 9 Song of the Rain by Khalil Gibran. So let us go. Let us revisit and enjoy the poem. Question number 1. Who is the I referred to in the poem? The I referred to in the poem is the rain. Question number 2. What does nature do with the silver threads? Nature takes the silver threads to adorn her fields and valleys. Question number 3. What is rain compared to? Rain is compared to life on earth. Question number 4. Who could be the daughter of dawn? The daughter of dawn is dewdrops. Question number 5. Comment on the expression, when I cry, the hills laugh. When it rains, the dry hills become happy to get water. Question number 6. How does the rain act as a messenger of mercy? Rain is nature's merciful blessing on earth. Question number 7. In what sense are the cloud and the field lovers? The cloud and the field cannot live without each other. Question number 8. What do the words cry and humble imply? Cry and humble personify the rain. Cry is the sound of the rain and humble is the mild intensity with which the rain falls. Question number 9. Who are the thirsty and the sick ones described in the 4th stanza? The thirsty one is the field and the sick one is the cloud. Question number 10. I am like earthly life. Explain the comparison. Rain is personified as a living being bound to a life cycle. Like every other living thing on earth, rain moves in a circular way, coming back to its origin. Question number 11. I am dotted silver threads is an example of a first person narration. Identify similar lines from the first 2 stanzas. I am beautiful pearls plucked from the crown of Ishtar. Then we can move to activity number 1. The poet compares the rain to many things. Look at the following expressions. I am like earthly life. I am beautiful pearls. In what way are the comparisons different? Comment on the poetic devices used. In the first line, the rain is compared to earthly life using the word like. This is a poetic device called simile. S-I-M-I-L-E. Simile is a comparison between 2 distinctly different things using the words like or as. A metaphor tells that one thing is another without asserting a comparison. I am beautiful pearls. I equals to beautiful pearls. In the poem. I am dotted silver threads. I am beautiful pearls. I am a messenger of mercy. I am the daughter of the field. I am the tears of heaven. Then exercise C. I am beautiful pearls plucked from the crown of Ishtar by the daughter of dawn to embellish the gardens. Can't you visualize the image of beautiful pearls while reading this stanza? Pick out other visual images in the poem. Answer. I am dotted silver threads dropped from heaven by the gods. Then the other visual images are the rainbow, then soar with the breeze, then embrace the flowers. Exercise B. When I cry, the hills laugh. This line gives us an auditory image of crying and laughter. Pick out another auditory image from the poem. Answer. The voice of thunder declares my arrival. Another example, a welcome song all can hear. Then exercise E. Describe the arrival and departure of rain, quoting the relevant lines. What effects do they create in the poem? Answer. The voice of thunder declares my arrival. The rainbow announces my departure. Thunder let us know that rain will follow. The bright 7 colors of the rainbow let us know that it has stopped raining. Rain arrives with great pomp and show but departs very calmly. Then exercise F. I touch gently at the windows with my soft fingers. Does the rain have fingers to touch the window? Here, the poet gives a human quality to the rain. So, it is an example of personification. Identify the lines personifying rain. Answer. The sigh of the sea, the laughter of the field, the tears of heaven, song of the rain, when I cry, the hills laugh. These lines personify rain. Read the following lines. I am beautiful pearls plucked from the crown of Ishtar. Next one. I am a messenger of mercy. What is special about the underlined words? Do they have a musical quality? In the first line, the sound of the letter P is repeated. Per sound is repeated. In the second line, the sound of the letter M is repeated. That is, M sound is repeated. So, such a repetition of consonant sounds is called alliteration. alliteration. Pick out other instances of alliteration from the poem. I am the sigh of the sea. Here, S sound is repeated. Dotted silver threads dropped from heaven. Here, D sound is repeated. Sighs from the deep sea of affection. Again, S sound is repeated. Here then exercise H. Match the lines in the poem with their meanings. A. Tears from the endless heaven of memories. Heaven sheds tears in the form of raindrops Rain has been a part of the sky for some time in the form of clouds and is now leaving it. B. I quench the thirst of one, I cure the ailment of the other. Rain satisfies the thirst of the fields and cures the sickness of the swollen clouds. Then see, I'm like earthly life which begins at the feet of the mad elements and ends under the upraised wings of death. The rain is as short lived as man's life on earth. Both are born out of the elements of nature and both meet with their death. Then D. When I cry, the hills laugh. The deafening sound of the thunder echoes on the hills and it sounds like laughter. Tick whether true or false, give the correct expressions for the false statement, if any. The tone and mood of the poem reflects the rain's love for the earth. True. Second one, the rain has a beginning and an end like all living things. Answer is true. Third one, I descend and embrace the flowers is an example of a metaphor. The answer is false. It is an example of personification. With this, we have completed the exercise of the poem Song of the Rain, written by the famous Lebanese American writer Khalil Gibran. Thank you. Have a nice day.